Let's start your day with some simple English conversations. Listen, repeat, and imagine yourself in these situations. First morning talk. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you. I feel rested. How about you?
I'm still a bit sleepy, but I'm ready to start the day.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I usually brush my teeth and wash my face.
Me too. Then I make a cup of tea.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I always have breakfast. It helps me feel energetic.
Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Good morning. Did you sleep well? I usually brush my teeth and wash my face. Do you eat breakfast in the morning? Pronunciation. Tip. Focus on linking words. Did you sleep well? Sounds like, did ya sleep well?
2. At the breakfast table. A. What are you having for breakfast today?
B. I'm having toast with butter and a boiled egg.
A. That sounds delicious. I'm having cereal with milk.
B. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
A. I prefer coffee. It wakes me up.
B. I like tea. It's more relaxing for me.
Practice. I'm having toast with butter. Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? I prefer coffee. It wakes me up.
3. Getting ready for work or school. Are you ready to leave for work?
Almost. I just need to find my keys.
Don't forget your lunch.
Thank you. I always forget something.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is nice.
Practice. Are you ready to leave for work? I usually take the bus. Pronunciation tip. Practice. Don't forget your lunch as one smooth sentence.
4. Commuting, on the bus or train. A. Is this seat taken?
B. No, please have a seat.
A. Thank you. Do you take this bus every day?
B. Yes, I do. It's usually on time, but sometimes it's late.
A. How long does your journey take?
B. About 30 minutes. How about you?
A. Mine is a bit longer, around 45 minutes.
Practice. Is this seat taken? Do you take this bus every day? How long does your journey take?
5. At work, starting the day. A. Good morning, everyone.
B. Good morning. How are you today?
A. I'm good, thank you. Did you have a nice weekend?
B. Yes, I did. I went hiking with my family.
A. That sounds fun. I stayed at home and read a book.
Practice. Good morning, everyone. Did you have a nice weekend? I went hiking with my family.
6th, meeting a new colleague. Hi, I'm Al. 6th,
Priya, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too, Priya. What do you do here?
I work in the marketing department. How about you?
I'm in the finance team. Practice. Welcome, Alex. Nice to meet you. I work in the marketing department.
7. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please.
Would you like any sugar or milk with that?
Just a little sugar, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you. I'd like a medium latte, please. Just a little sugar, please. That's all. Thank you.
8. Shopping for groceries. A. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
B. The bread is in aisle 3 next to the milk.
A. Thank you. Do you sell fresh fruit?
B. Yes, we have apples, bananas, and oranges over there.
A. Great. I'll take some apples. Where can I find the bread? Do you sell fresh fruit? I'll take some apples. A. Excuse
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing. And remember, consistency beats intensity. See you in the next lesson.